Hello, today I'm going to show you how to make your rear brake last a little longer. And in this video I'm going to show you how. Hello, how are you doing today? This is the rear brake of your scooter. See, this one I changed the last time on my scooter, was almost finished, but if you really see on the right here on the pad, there is always a little more life, okay? So if this part right here is about 3 millimeter, okay? But every time you change the brake, this part, you throw it away. So you should use this part right here too. Every time you change the brake, 3 millimeter is gone. So there is a little trick that you can do, your adjuster, the adjuster of the rear brake, okay? Okay, to make your rear brake last a little longer, you can have a little bolt right here, or you can have something like that, a little spacer that you can use in the back, and you can put it right here where is the regulator for your rear brake. What you're going to do, the regulator tensioner, you're just going to remove the nut that is at the regulator right here. You're going to put your hands inside and pull back the arm of your rear brake, okay? You're going to remove the nut at the connection of your rear brake regulator. This is the one, okay? This is the I'm gonna put it on the side. Now you can find a little nut right there, okay? Kind of like this one, okay? And what you can do, you can place it right here. Now this nut right here that you're going to put on your rear brake is gonna become like a spacer, okay? After that, you're going to screw in again the bolt. Now the nut that you place doesn't have to screw in, needs to have room to move around, okay? So after you're done, you're just going to screw this part in. Now what I really like to explain you, that the threading of the rear regulator cable of the rear brake is not long enough to finish your rear brake pad, okay? Now if you don't find any bolt right there, you can use a spacer like this, okay? This is very similar to what is on your scooter right now. So what you can do, you can double up these two, one in the front, one in the back, okay? So you're going to make this level a little more forward. So you're going to be able, you could use the old brake pad that you have in your scooter. Okay, if your rear brake is almost finished, that's the way you can do a little trick to make your rear brake last a little longer, okay? After you adjust the rear brake, you should try to see how is the tension. If this level is too hard, it's going to brake too hard, okay? It's gonna use a little more of the brake. If this one is nice and it reaches the middle, and it's gonna be harder from the middle to the arm, it's gonna be okay. Okay everybody, thank you very much for watching my video. I hope you enjoy it. Please click like, subscribe to my channel for new videos, and if you have any question, feel free to ask. Thank you.